Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm installing Outre's Neesha 210 unit. This is one of their new Neesha wigs. I have mine in the DR4 / honey brown color. This Neesha unit is 20 inches long. It has HD transparent lace and has that natural yaki texture that the girls love. You can see it has some semi-tight curls in it that we're going to be brushing out today. It's kind of like a teapot. It's kind of like a teapot lace, slick. You can pluck out the front if you want to a tad bit. Not OD, but you could pluck it out. It comes with those baby hairs included. That lace is like a little bit pale, it's transparent. So if you want to add a little bit of lace tint spray, please feel free. But right now I'm just trying to see how this wig is going to fit on my head, and it was fitting good. I did no adjustable straps and I felt like it was pretty secure. I'm not going to say tight, but it was secure. So big head friendly. I wouldn't necessarily say that. I feel like it was just right. And I have a bigger head. It's like semi-big. I don't know. But I feel like it fit just right. And usually I can use like adjustable straps to make my wigs tighter. But that's just me. So I am using my hot comb to kind of flatten the roots out just a little bit, because they are just a little bit too thick. That makes the wig look wiggy. And adding this little heat texture to the roots kind of just flattens that out a little bit to make it look not so thick and wiggy. So my first thoughts when I pulled the wig out was that these curls are tight, but I knew I was going to get rid of that by brushing them out. That was like my first thought. I was like, I got to brush these out. I do like the fact that you don't have to play with a whole lot of lace. I feel like you just cut off, what's there, and then that's that. I don't have to use any holding spray or any wig glue to keep the unit in place. I just utilize the combs that are inside the wig to hold it in place. Now, I don't know if you guys have tried any of Outre Neesha's units, but they have quite a few in this collection. I want to say it's probably like 7 or 8 of them. It could be more, because I know they also have like a half wig, and then like before, like the ones that came out in like 2020 or 2019 were like really popping. They had some that came out before that, so it might be up to 10, but they do have quite a few. So if you just go to any beauty supply store website or something and just type in Outre Neesha, you'll see all of the ones that they offer. I'm also going to put some cards at the top of this video, so you guys can see the other Neesha wigs that I've tried from Outre, and see how those look. But this color was a vibe. I love like those little highlight blonde pieces throughout the honey brown. I think it's going to be a beautiful wig to wear during the fall. I really like that when I brushed this hair, those tight curls fell out, and it gave it more of like a bigger blowout, kind of almost effortless type of curl. And I'm also going to use those little baby hairs that they put in on the wig. Ignore my face. I was trying to make sure that I liked it. I wasn't sure because, when you have like these OG lace fronts, I feel like sometimes adding baby hairs can make it look worse. And I wasn't sure if that was making it look better or if it was making it look worse. So I was trying to go back and forth with it. But I felt like since the lace is like so straight across, we have no dimension in it, I was like, it needs something. So that's why I put the little baby hairs there, because I felt like it made it look better. And versus it just sitting there on my head, having this straight across hairline, it just makes it look totally like a wig. So I was trying to, just make it look better and more wearable to my liking. So you guys know I love like these big butterfly bangs, whatever you want to call them. Curtain bangs. They're not curtain bangs because these are longer than that, but I just love when wigs have these really nice layered bangs with a good middle part. So y'all already know I was feeling the wig just because of that style. Now I felt like, you know, with this texture, of course, the hair is going to be bigger. But I felt like the top of the wig, like from my parting space down to where my bangs are, it was just really, really big. When you get to the ends, it's kind of thinned out a little bit. Like I felt like it needed like an additional 1.5 to 2 tracks added there just so it could all be evened out. Because how is the top of my head going to be big and then the bottom is small? It makes it kind of look like a mushroom, if you get what I'm saying. Or it could just be my head shape that's making it look like that. I don't know. So I am going to add some makeup to that parting space because it needs it. And it was kind of visible, but I felt like it needed just a little bit more power, a little pow. And that's exactly what that concealer did. Like it opened me up. It opened that parting space up really good. It was like that good final touch that was needed. Overall, I probably rate this wig like I love the texture, love the color. I love how easy it was to put on. So I would give it like a 9 out of 10. I don't dislike it. I would definitely wear it again, but I didn't feel like I was like really wowed by it. And it might just be because maybe I try this style so often, but it's also kind of like what other styles can wigs come in. Like, I feel like this is very similar to the previous Neesha wig that came out. It's just a little bit shorter, which is fine because everyone doesn't like long hair. But I don't know. Like, I like it. I just wasn't like just in love. But it was cute. I feel like I would have liked to see this one in like a side part. I feel like that could have made it a little bit more pow for me, you know, like boom. So I'm going to try and flip it to the side. But when I flip it to the side, I felt like it was really giving wig at that point because it just didn't even look like it was made to be put in a side part. But again, that could just be my head shape, head size or whatever. But no cons about this wig. I mean, you know, it's like any other Neesha wig. I felt like it didn't really have any issues. I didn't have any tangling, no shedding. You know, the lace did what it was supposed to do. It's just like one of those average lace front wigs. So yeah, this is where you see I put it to the side. It was giving older lady. Like I felt like I looked like someone's older aunt close to grandma. You know, it was giving elderly. I wasn't really liking the side part vibe, but I'm pretty sure someone else can pull it off, but I did not like it. And I think it's just because that hairline was so harsh. But overall, guys, I do like this wig. I just wasn't like super like, oh my God, this is like going in the cart again. But it's cute. It's cute. I'm gonna give it that. It was definitely cute. I will wear it in the fall with a hat. It's gonna be cute. So thank y'all for watching. I appreciate you guys. Thank you to Outre for sending over today's wig. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.